Hey folks, good afternoon. How are you? It's Mark from Plumbing Mart here. A little sweaty, a little dusty, a little dirty today. We are in the middle of Colin and I have just finished installing a kitchen. We've been working on this for 6 or 7 hours, I guess. But here you go. Check this out. We've got this beautiful kitchen going in with an island, and what we've got here on the island, we've got two 24-inch base cabinets. We're going to have pull-out drawers on the top, right up here. We're going to have double doors on the bottom, adjustable shelves. Now look at our quality of our cabinets. We've got these beautiful metal frames, 3/4 inch bottoms, 3/4 inch high density MDF, 3/4 inch overlay gables. Check out the overlay here. So the base cabinets are going to be black. That's 1.5 inches of structure there, holding this cabinet together. The upper cabinets are this beautiful gloss white. Wait till we get the doors and the hardware on here. Fridge is going to go here. We are going to have a slide-in cooktop here. We're going to have quartz countertops and quartz backsplashes. So everything will be one piece here. So we don't have to worry about the backsplash. We are waiting for the window company to change the window. That's not on us. That's slowing us down. That's a little upsetting. We've got our shelves in here just temporarily. The customer can realign those wherever they like. We've got a 30-inch upper here. Dishwasher's going to go in here. We just have to plumb that in. And we're looking pretty good. We've finished the ceiling here. We've added in a bunch of LED lights, and we have 2 more that when the island is positioned, we'll pop those in. The wires are fed in there as well. So it's a pretty nice looking kitchen. It's going to be gorgeous once the quartz goes on. So we've got a black lowers, gloss white uppers, 2 tones on the countertops going in as well. So we do a lot of kitchens at Plumbing Mart. They're a lot of fun. It takes 2 guys to hang these cabinets, so I usually jump out and give the guys a hand on those. It's always a lot of fun to get out of the office and get on the tools for a day or two. So we'd love to do your kitchen. We design a lot of them. Plumbing Mart, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home renovations. Bye for now.